Okay, rôti de porc.
Au Frit de Plantain.
Frit de Plantain. Make I no bite my tongue. Make I just chop. Mind my business.
Today I want to take you to Cameroon. So we are going to do a meal today, a dish from Cameroon. We call it porc rôti, the rôti de porc. Yes. So it's smoke, kind of smoke pork with sauce and then with fried plantains. That's all. It's very simple to do. So here I want to blend. We have onions, we have garlic, ginger, we have leeks, we have celery, and we have bell pepper. I think it's okay. It's enough. Okay. So I'm going to blend this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Blend.
Yes, it gets smooth. That's okay.
Okay, guys. So we're traveling all the way to Cameroon. Let's start
The cooking. You see, it's well smooth.
Okay. We're adding a little water.
Yes. I don't want to waste this. Let me remove everything. Okay. So I think it's going to be okay because the smoked pork was
has a lot of salt already.
not a lot. Just cover the pot.
Okay, the cover is there.
I just want it to like boil it a little bit so I can add my pork and other dry spices.
Okay.
And that's all. Then I can season. I add maggi. That's all. Yes.
Quite fast.
I'll wait for it to dry a little.
So what are we doing here?
Oh, I want to put oil on the fire for the plantain.
Okay.
Yes. But I don't need to put salt.
Okay, because the plantain is ripe.
The plantain is already ripe. But if it's unripe plantain, then you can put salt for a little bit of for it to yes.
For me, I feel like adding salt to ripe plantain gives it a sweet blend. You know, sweet and
Really?
Yeah, it makes
a bit
it
salty.
better. Yes, when it's ripe, I add salt. It's like sugar and salt fusion.
Okay.
Really nice.
I have not tested it before. Maybe next time I'll try it.
Okay.
The pork. I say this pork it has been smoked.
Okay.
Yes, with salt, only salt. So now it's the leg part of the pork.
Okay.
So now I'm going to put inside, then put my seasoning, my dry spices.
Okay.
Okay. When it's dry, it has the taste is different from the fresh pork.
Okay.
Yes. Little bit of this one. We have curry here.
Okay.
Oh, we have white pepper, we have black pepper inside.
Careful. The pot retains a lot of heat.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay.
So do we need oil for this?
Yes, of course. I'm going to. That is the meaning of 2-in-1 Maggi. We call it rôti de porc because the soup is dry. It's kind of dry. You see, it's going to get dry more than this.
Oh.
Yes. So you like sauce?
Should we be frying this?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, go ahead and fry the
I just
plantain.
wanted to season this.
Okay. The oil should be hot now enough. I don't think this can go in at once.
Mm-mm.
Oh, the oil
No.
is actually hot.
You cannot put all. This food is so simple to do. Simple recipe.
Mm. What's that?
I'm
What?
adding water.
Oh, water.
I can add a small oil.
Okay, you prefer
Oh.
that one?
This one is better. This one is
okay,
hot.
that one is heavy.
Yeah, and it's even hot. Safe. You know that this plantain is not like African plantain, so it
Yeah.
can stay on the fire.
The plantain I buy is different. I think I like this one.
This is the last phase.
I think it's ready.
And you come to notice that if you eat one raw, you just feel bad about the whole plantain.
This is what China plantain gives you after frying.
But even though it's good, yeah, guys, at this stage, I mean, it's ready. You see how oil is coming on top, like on the surface. Yes, you see, it's ready. It's ready to eat.
Here's a plate dish up for us.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, so tell us about the dish.
Rôti de plantain, rôti de porc, au frit de plantain. It's so nice. You need to try this in your house. You like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Yeah, let me also try mine. I'm not such a big fan of pork, but I can't wait to try this in particular.
With beef
Okay,
or chicken. No.
maybe goat meat.
Where is the good meat? Can we have it here?
There's goat meat here, but it's really on the high side. It's the sauce I can't wait to try.
Go ahead and try it. You like it?
Nice. Oh, this plantain is way better than the one I get.
Even when you fry, it's not like that.
When you fry it, it's soft. It soaks a lot of oil. Guys, you need to try out this recipe, especially this sauce. This sauce is nice. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, Grace, thank you for sharing with us all. So guys, like, share, subscribe. If you're watching us from Cameroon, give this video a thumbs up and let us know what you think we did right or wrong, or what we need to improve on. Of course, we have the chef here, so yeah, we'd like to hear from you if you've had this dish before and what you think about pork sauce and fried plantain. What do you call it again in French?
Rôti de porc.
Huh?
Rôti de porc.
Rôti de porc. Plantain is rôti.
No, rôti de porc is pig.
Oh,
It's
pork. Yeah, rôti de porc is pig. It's pork rather. So what is plantain called?
Plantain.
Plantain is plantain.
Frit de plantain.
Okay, rôti de porc and
Frit de Plantain.
Frit de Plantain. Make I no bite my tongue, but make I just chop. Mind my business.
You can see this with rice.
Yeah. Or even the noodles we prepared.
Calabar yam. If you're in Nigeria, I say Calabar yam.
Calabar yam.